Hi, my name is Brad Woodard. I'm a graphic designer and illustrator, and I'm one half of Brave the Woods, a design and illustration studio that I run with my wife down here in Austin, Texas. And this course is called The Fundamentals of Adobe Illustrator 1, as in I'm going to be teaching a few more courses on Illustrator down the road, and this is just the very, very beginning. So if you are starting this journey on learning how to use Adobe Illustrator, and this is your very first time, welcome, and this is the perfect class for you. What I want to do is I want to teach you how to feel more comfortable within it by showing you kind of the basic tools, helping you navigate, and kind of demystifying a few things in the toolbars and in the program for you to make it something that isn't so overwhelming. Every time you open up new software, it can be a bit intimidating. So hopefully we can take that away and kind of walk you through this step by step. So the project I want you to do is to set up your own workspace, just as if you would take your physical desk and rearrange your items on it to make it so it's you're more efficient when you work and it's more comfortable. You can do the same thing in Adobe Illustrator, and you can rearrange your tools, get rid of tools, bring more tools in, do whatever you need to make it so that you can work more efficiently down the road. So Adobe Illustrator is just an amazingly flexible program as well that you'll notice. So how I'll teach the class is I'll be doing a series of videos that will I'll be sharing the screen with you so that you can go ahead and see how I navigate through. And so the first lesson will be just what the possibilities are within Adobe Illustrator. Then we'll go into setting up your very first document and laying that foundation and groundwork for your project the right way. And then we'll walk through some basic tools, help you navigate through it, and know how to maneuver around the space. And then setting up your workspace, as I said, and finally saving your documents. So I use Adobe Illustrator almost every single day on all my projects, and I find more and more ways to incorporate Illustrator even when I'm working in Photoshop or InDesign. There's so many possibilities and things that I can do in all those other programs. I can do them all in Illustrator. Not that I need to or that I should all the time, because they obviously have their reasons for and their perks to using them. But Adobe Illustrator is just that flexible, and so it makes things easier for me. And I love the program, and I'm excited to teach it to you. So I'm excited for you to start the courses and really start diving into the basics and how to set up your very first document. I'm glad to be here with you doing that. So I'll see you in the videos.